This lecture is about public versus private IP. In computer networking, two hosts to communicate with each other require a unique IP address. Each machine on the network is recognized by its unique IP address. There are two versions of IP addresses, IPv4 and IPv6. We will be using IPv4 mostly. The reason is that IPv4 is still the most common format used online. IPv6 is newer and more used in IoT. There are 3.7 billion different IPv4 addresses possible. Regarding public IP address, a host to be identified on the internet must have a public IP address. Each public IP address must be unique across the web. In other words, two machines cannot have the same public IP address. With public IP addresses, they can be geolocated easily. Regarding private IP addresses, with a private IP address, a host can be identified on a private network only. The private IP address must be unique across the private network. However, two different private networks can have the same private IP. For example, the private internal network of two companies can have the same IPs. Machines on the private network, which have only private IP, can connect to the internet using NAT gateway, which is used to translate the machine's private IP to a public IP, and Internet Gateway, which acts as a proxy.